Discover the most effective ways to unlock higher performance with the Ninebot E2 Pro in this quick and easy speed hack guide. This video highlights the top 5 simple methods that riders often explore to push their scooter beyond the usual limits. Each step has been explained in a clear and practical way so that anyone can follow along. Whether you are curious about boosting acceleration or enjoying smoother rides, these Ninebot E2 Pro speed hacks will give you useful insights. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect to the app. First, open the official Segway Ninebot app on your smartphone. Why? The app is the command center for your scooter. It's the only official way to communicate with the scooter's firmware to change settings like speed, lighting, and cruise control. Ensure you have the latest version of the app from the App Store or Google Play to avoid compatibility issues. Power on your scooter and establish a connection with your Ninebot E2 Pro. How? Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Turn on your scooter and open the app. The app should automatically search for nearby devices. Select your E2 Pro from the list to pair. A successful connection is usually confirmed by an icon in the app and a sound from the scooter. Step 2. Access your scooter's settings. Once connected, tap the gear icon on your scooter's dashboard within the app. Why? The dashboard is the main screen you see after connecting, showing your current speed and battery life. The gear icon is the universal symbol for settings. This is your gateway to all customizable features. Navigate and look for an option labeled speed limit, riding modes, or performance. What to expect? The exact name of this menu can vary slightly depending on the app version or firmware. It's designed to control the scooter's power output. Riding modes might contain presets like Eco, Drive, and Sport, while a dedicated performance or speed limit section gives you more direct control. Step 3. Enable expert mode/increase speed. In the performance section, look for an expert mode or advanced settings toggle. Why? This is the key step. Many manufacturers hide the highest performance settings behind a secondary option to prevent accidental activation. Expert mode is a common term for unlocking these restrictions. If you don't see it, it might mean your firmware version has a different process or has patched this ability. Find the speed limit slider or toggle and push it to the maximum setting. How it works. This slider directly tells the scooter's controller how much power to allow the motor to draw. Pushing it to the max removes the software-imposed speed cap, allowing the motor to reach its true physical top speed based on battery charge and rider weight. Step 4. Save changes and reboot your scooter. After adjusting the slider, make sure to save or confirm the changes within the app. Why? Simply moving the slider isn't enough. The new setting must be written to the scooter's internal memory. The app will usually have a Save, Apply, or Confirm button. If you skip this, the setting will revert to the default once you disconnect. Disconnect the app, power your scooter off, and then turn it back on. Why is a reboot necessary? This is a crucial step. A power cycle, turning it off and on, forces the scooter's main controller to reload its operating parameters from memory. This is when it will load the new, higher speed limit you just saved. Step 5. Test ride safely. Start your first ride in a safe, open area and at a slow speed. Safety first. The scooter's acceleration and handling will feel different. You need a safe space, free of traffic and pedestrians, to get used to the new performance without putting yourself or others at risk. Don't test the new top speed immediately. Gradually test the new acceleration and top speed until you are completely comfortable. Get a feel for it. The scooter will likely reach its top speed faster. The braking distance may also feel different. Spend some time understanding how it now behaves before taking it into your normal riding environment. And most importantly, always wear a helmet. This step will help you make a smart choice for your next ride. Thanks for watching our full videos. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.